What's your name?
I'm Wally Glenn, Pyro Boy.
And Pyro Boy is your superhero name, I assume.
It is my superhero name.
What does Pyro Boy do?
Pyro Boy covers his body in fireworks, dances around, and explodes on a stage.
Right? You know, I feel like I've been institutionalized, and we're all in one crazy house together, because this sounds nuts to me. I mean, do women get excited by this when they see you covered in fireworks?
They find it hot.
They find it hot. All right, Pyro Boy, I'm excited for you. Give him hell. Let's see it.
Thanks. Let's get down and do it.
What a lunatic. What drives these people, you know?
Oh, just the fame, the fortune, the glamour.
Look at this. What is this guy wearing?
Oh, God.
You know, in another universe, he would be a superhero.
Really?
Sure.
What universe?
The Bizarro world.
Bizarro.
What if this thing comes this way, like one of those
Oh,
firecrackers?
you know, I didn't even think of that.
All right, man, go get him. I'm gonna be over here, way over here. Okay, guys, it's clear. Are you guys ready? Yes. Pyro Boy, are you ready? Let's count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where's my X? It's ridiculous. Go back! Don't come near us with your crazy knees.
I mean, seriously.
Guy could blow us up with his knees.
Pyro Boy. You know what I like about you? I think you're legally insane. That's what I think. You know, I'm going to start the voting. And this is going to probably shock not only the audience, but my fellow judges. I'm looking at you. I'm thinking about what you just did. And in some weird way, I like you. I really like you.